Stop for a moment. Stop scrolling. Stop doubting yourself. I know the weight you carry silently, the fears you hide, the pain you never speak of. You think no one sees, no one understands. But I see. I have always seen. I chose you before you were born. You were not an accident. You were crafted with purpose. Even when the world overlooks you, even when people label you as ordinary, I know you're extraordinary. You are more than your circumstances. You are more than your mistakes. You are the hope, the light, the strength that the world is waiting for. Even in moments of doubt, when shadows feel stronger than light, know this: I am with you. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought is guided by me. You are never alone. Take a deep breath and feel my presence around you. Even the smallest whisper of hope comes from me. I am speaking to you now, through this moment, through this voice, through the calling of your heart. There are moments when you feel afraid, when the path seems impossible, when doubt whispers in your ear. Do not listen to that voice. Fear is not your master. Faith is. I am with you. Just as I guided Jesus through the wilderness, through challenges, through betrayal, I am guiding you now. You may stumble, you may fall. You may feel small. But every fall is not failure, it is a lesson, a step toward the purpose I designed for you. Every time fear knocks, rise stronger. Every time doubt whispers, answer with courage. You are stronger than you realize. You are braver than you believe. Even the smallest steps in faith create momentum toward your destiny. Remember the story of the fisherman who cast his net into empty waters. When he trusted and obeyed, the net overflowed. That is the power of faith in action. You carry anger, resentment, and regret. You think it protects you. It does not, it chains you. Forgive, as Jesus forgave. Forgive those who hurt you, forgive yourself for what you think you failed at. When you forgive, you free your spirit. You make room for love, for joy, for miracles. Forgiveness is not weakness. It is power, it is courage. It is the first step toward the life I intended for you. Even in forgiving, blessings will flow. Opportunities will arise. Your heart will feel lighter, and your vision will clear. Let go of what weighs you down. Every grudge you release is a step closer to freedom. Imagine the chains falling off a prisoner. That is what forgiveness does to your soul. It sets you free. The world will challenge you. People will doubt you. Opportunities may seem lost. But courage is not the absence of fear, it is moving forward despite fear. Remember Jesus in the storm, when waves rose and disciples panicked. He spoke, "Peace, be still." And the storm obeyed. You, too, have storms. You, too, have waves rising against you. Speak peace. Step forward. Do not surrender. Every challenge is shaping you. Every obstacle is refining you. You are becoming the person I created you to be. Even when it seems impossible, trust that the smallest act of faith can create miracles. Every step you take in courage plants seeds for your destiny. Love is your greatest power. Love transforms, heals, and restores. Jesus showed love without limits. He loved even when rejected, even when betrayed, even when misunderstood. You are called to do the same. Love your neighbor, love your family. Love even those who challenge you. Love is not always easy. It is not always received. But it is always powerful. In love, you will find strength. In love, you will find freedom. In love, you will find me. Love does not demand perfection. Love asks only that you remain faithful, kind, and compassionate in every circumstance.
Your heart is anxious for the future. You want answers now. You want your blessing now. But timing is mine. Your breakthrough is coming at the perfect moment. Do not rush it. Do not force it. Jesus waited. He prepared. He endured ridicule, loneliness, and trials. Yet, his time came. Your time will come. Be patient. Keep faith. Keep working. Keep loving. Keep trusting. Even the seed that takes the longest to grow eventually bears the most beautiful fruit. Trust the process. Trust me. In the quiet moments, when no one is watching, that is where your strength grows. Jesus spent hours in prayer, alone, seeking guidance. He found clarity, peace, and courage in silence. You too must find your quiet place. Speak to me. Listen, reflect, heal, recharge. Silence is not emptiness. It is preparation. It is power. It is the space where miracles are born. Use this quiet time to connect with your purpose. Every whispered prayer, every moment of reflection strengthens the path ahead. True greatness is in service. Jesus washed feet, healed the sick, fed the hungry. He gave without expecting return. Your life is meant to serve, to uplift, to inspire. Even small acts of kindness create ripples far beyond what you can see. Serve, shine. Your light is meant to illuminate the world. Do not wait for recognition. Do not wait for applause. Serve quietly, faithfully, and passionately. The impact will reach farther than you imagine. There will be pain. There will be suffering. There will be moments that seem unbearable. Even Jesus faced betrayal, crucifixion, and the weight of the world's sins. And yet, he rose. You too will rise. You too will overcome. Your darkest hour is not the end. It is the prelude to your victory. Remember, every challenge is temporary. Every trial is purposeful. You are stronger than your hardest days. You were chosen. You were created for greatness, for love, for purpose. Your journey is unfolding exactly as I designed. Every tear, every struggle, every victory is part of your story. Live boldly, love fully, trust completely, shine relentlessly. Remember this always. I see you. I know you. I am with you. Your life, your unique, powerful, God-given life, is meant to change the world. Do not shrink. Do not hide. Step into the destiny I have prepared for you. The world is waiting for the light only you can shine. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every failure is a lesson, a push toward your destiny. When you feel broken, remember Jesus rose after every trial. You too will rise, stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Every time you fall, know that I am lifting you higher. Every tear you shed waters the seeds of your purpose. Miracles are not just stories, they are possibilities. Keep your heart open, your faith unwavering, and your spirit ready. I perform wonders for those who trust me. Sometimes, the miracle you seek is already working silently in the background. Wait and watch, for my timing is perfect. You were born to shine, not to hide. Your voice, your actions, your love, these are lights that can guide others through darkness. Do not dim yourself. Stand tall. Shine bright. The world is waiting for your story. Your courage, your love, your persistence, they inspire more than you can imagine. There will be moments when giving up seems easier, but I tell you, do not give up. Every challenge you overcome, every obstacle you face, every act of faith strengthens your spirit and aligns you closer to your destiny. Remember, Jesus did not give up. Even facing the cross, he trusted my plan. So will you.